Hello, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banasila University. We have discussed a lot of things already in this platform. Today we are discuss about the leadership and organization development. Leadership and organization development. We have already discussed certain things on the terms of the leader, leadership and leadership behaviors. Because the classic model of the good organizational leader is the top executives in the organizational management who directs and who is under control of all aspects of the operations of the organizations. This top executive leaders operates through a hierarchy of management, and the organization had a fairly well-defined structure. This type of leadership has some good points and it survived throughout the most of the 20th century. The organization of today does not have the luxury of stability, since it faces an ever-increasing change in markets, customers and technologies. It needs to accept, adopt and implement changes in the business models according to changing trends, technologies, customer perceptions and future concerns. Further, the core business of the organization is constantly under threat today from the newcomers of the marketplace who are having a different business paradigm. Hence, the organization cannot afford to depend upon the leadership of individual or a small team of senior executive to meet the challenges. The organization needs to harness of the ideas, skills, energy and enthusiasm of the entire team for success. For meeting of new challenges, the new concept and practices of leadership has evolved, where the line manager have taken care in the leadership role along with the top executives and his small team of senior executives. So in the terms of the organization development, when we are discussing, so leadership is an important factor for making an organization successful. It is the art of processing or influencing people to perform assigned tasks willingly, efficiently and competently. Without leadership, a line manager simply cannot be effective. Leadership of the managers transform potential into reality. When good leadership is in place in the organization, it cannot be felt throughout the entire organization. With good leadership, organization culture is not focused but developed. Communication is effective and open. Everyone understands the vision and the goal of the organization, and everyone has put into how they can be improved. People feel that they are an important part of the organization and they give their best for the success of the organization. So in this term, leadership is very important for the organization development, because in the leadership, organization is to meet the three challenges. The first challenge is to provide a shared vision. This is shared vision. Whatever we think, we have to share to everyone is to be there in the organizations. Shared vision, where the organization is heading and what is the purpose. Why? That means the mission should be very clear. The second challenge is to set objectives. Set objectives. For a leader, it's a very typical job was there. The set objective. That is to convert the strategic vision and directional course into a specific performance outcomes for each key area where leaders does deemed important for the success. The third challenge is providing a strategic direction. Strategic directions. Strategic directions is to generate and develop a strategy that will determine how to achieve the objectives. A strategic direction is imperative in identifying a systematic interventions that will provide the most leverage to the organization, as an organization cannot focus on everything all at a single time. Line managers, leaders are a key human resource in the organizations, because whenever you have to put down skill, line level, subordinate services and the higher level management was there. these leaders develop better people under them, and the two better develop their better products, which can compete effectively with the products offered by the competitors. We can say down the high performance of people in the organization is the local and the focal length point of the achieving success. The high performance can be secured only if there is effective leadership qualities available in all the line managers. As group efforts and the teamwork are successful for realizing the organization development goals, achievements, leadership becomes vital for the execution of the work. Through leadership, line managers can influence people under them to adopt a comparative and wholesome attitude for successful work accomplishment. So the leadership is an important function of management which helps to maximize efficiency and to achieve organization goals. In fact, leadership is an essential part of a crucial component of effective management. A remarkable leadership behavior stresses upon building an environment in which each and every employee develops and excels, without which we cannot say down the organization can be developed, because if the leader is not in the motivational factors, definitely we cannot get whatever we the organization want. But how this development can be achieved and how the leaders retain their powers and execution is to be there. So there are certain ways in which we can say down the organizational development can be possible by the organization leaders to be there. So in every field, whatever. So whatever the first step, this is the first step, this way. The leaders in the organization needs to understand, the first step. Need to understand is to establish why the organization exists and what it wants to achieve. A lot of movies, a lot of vision, a lot of things can be come down in your whole life. If we have to see of a lot of experience, we can measure in that way. Kabhi, I'm not telling anything about the organization, caste, creed, and religion, but there's certain principles when we open any institution student like Babu Banarsi Das University. जब इस यूनिवर्सिटी को खोलने का हमारे माननीय चेयरमैन जी के मन में आया, तो मैं उनको बहुत नहीं जानता हूँ और शायद कुछ यहाँ आने के बाद से मैंने उनको जाना, थोड़ा समझा। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि हमारे जो दूर दराज के इलाकों के बच्चे और दूसरे स्टेट्स में जाते हैं और वहाँ जाके इतना पैसा खर्च करते हैं, इससे अच्छी हम अपने यहाँ एक ऐसा संस्था बनाएं जहाँ पर उन मासूम, उन लाचार, ज़्यादा पैसा देना मजबूरी है जिनकी, इन टाइप के बच्चों को हम ना ले, मतलब वी कैन जस्ट अकोमोडेट देम और उन्हें हम एक अच्छी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करें. दिस इज द मोटिव, बेस्ट एजुकेशन एंड द बेस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट. क्योंकि एक अच्छा स्किल जब निकलेगा तो अच्छी जॉब जाएगा जो इकोनॉमी बढ़ाएगा और इस इंस्टीट्यूशन का नाम बढ़ाएगा. एक बात और उन्होंने कही थी, एक अपने लास्ट अपनी डेथ से पहले, कि उनके 2 बच्चे हैं, हमारे चेयरमैन साहब के हैं. उन्होंने कहा था मेरे यही 2 बच्चे नहीं हैं, मैं नाम नहीं देना चाहता यहाँ पे, बट ये जितने 10,000 है लोग पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ, सारे बच्चे, और जो बाहर से पहले पढ़ के निकल गए हैं वो सब मेरे बच्चे हैं. मैं सबके लिए कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. दिस टाइप ऑफ विजन, दिस टाइप ऑफ मिशन, दिस इज द नीड which we are just show down ki how the leadership is to be developed. Because leadership and organization development, we are discussing about the thing, no organization can be developed without a proper leadership and with the leadership qualities to be there. So हमारा मोटिव ये है कि आज BBD reach down on so many, बहुत सारे स्टेप्स के ऊपर पहुंच चुका है. ये नहीं कभी भी हमें बहुत करना है, हम लगातार कर रहे हैं. जो भी इसके प्रमोटर्स हैं और जितने लोग भी इसमें जुड़े हुए हैं, सभी अपने मन, वचन और कर्म से पूरी तरह अच्छे से काम कर रहे होंगे. बिकॉज एज अ टीचर आई एम डूइंग व्हाट माय बेस्ट कैन बी प्रोवाइड. सो वेन एवर वी आर थिंकिंग कि व्हाट इज द नीड, तो मेरा ये कहने का मतलब है कि पहला वही तो हमने बात की कि और व्हाई द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एग्जिस्ट, what is the mission is to be there. So leaders are to clarify and communicate the vision and the mission of the organization to the people. This vision and mission effectively provide employees with an understanding of the organization direction, as allow them to clarify, understand their roles and responsibility. Why we are here is to be there. If the leaders show this type of things, if you should be there in the organization, you are in the organization, you are in the organization. Because I am just thinking this type of things I want to see. Because we want to achieve our vision and mission. Vision and mission. The second thing is to be there. Leader communicate the policies and the plans to the people of the organizations. They are to realize the virtues and values towards the side of the organization, since they play an important role in ensuring the achievement of the organization goals. In any institution is to be there. Any, we can say down the professionally managed group was to be there. When the person first enter in the job, they have to provide an induction booklet in which everything is to be written there. What is it? So this type of vision we have to meet. Our mission is this, our vision is this, our everything is to be mentioned in that case. Because that is to be need of the organization development. The third thing is the commitment and the enthusiasm of the leader shape and common goals of the organization and provides inspiration and motivation for people to perform at a high level. कितने भी busy होते थे हमारे chairman साहब. Babu Nasidas University, because I belongs to this university, is to be there, and I'm proud of that also. Because whatever the busy schedule is to be there, every year he is here in the campus in the closing ceremony of the Utkarsh, our national consumption is to be there, or whenever we required. We means institution required, they are there. So why? Because they have just showed down. This is the institution motivation. We want to develop this institution in such a good place to be there. तो जब तक ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मोटिव एक लीडर जो है उसको उस रूप में नहीं ले जाएगा, तब तक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है डेवलपमेंट नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट, लीडर्स प्रोवाइड encouragement to peoples for openly contributing the discussing new ideas in a positive environment and make use of their diverse experience and ideas to improve the organizations. Now the thing is, because this is the after the COVID, after the Corona crisis to be there, online class management is to be scheduled placed. This is the need of that. If the old leader, classical, they think no, the students should come down, then you have to take the class. This thing never happened in that type of conditions to be there. We want good leadership, skilled leadership. We have the knowledgeable leadership to be there. We can say down in general word, this is smart leadership should be there. So this kind of come down. So good leadership can help the organization remain focused during a time of crisis, reminding the people of their achievements and encourage them to set short-term achievement goals also to be there. So leadership and management are closely linked functions. Both the functions are complementary to each other. Without efficient management, the direction set by a leader risks being unassumable, even unsuitability is to be there. So leadership and management operates hand into hand is to be there. Then only the organizational leadership can be come down. And for the leadership qualities, whatever there are certain leadership qualities is to be required in the terms of the organizational development. That is future vision. This is the essential part of future vision. You are the leader, you know the future is to be there. You can just think of, not know. But if you can think of what will, how we have to start or where we have to go. If you have to start this today, now reaching up to this place is to be there. So future vision, visionary approach, this type of thing. So this is the future vision. The second quality should be there, that is integrity. We have to integrate. Effective leadership often places great importance on ethical values. This is the prime concern. They always do the right things even if these things are difficult. In general, leaders with integrity are honest, truthful, fair, reliable, and do not let their emotions affect their leader to do their jobs to be there. Then self-confidence. Self-confidence, not overconfidence. This is the prime point. So in the leadership, we have to think of the self-confidence should be there. Good and strong leaders have a firm belief in their abilities They know what their ability is to be there. Then commitment, because these are the general characters which is to be, we have already discussed, but here for the organizational development, these characters plays a vital role this topic. So commitment, successful leaders is impossible without firm commitment. Good leaders remain focused on dedicated towards their objectivity and the goals is to be there. Then creativity. Creativity is the idea. Effective line managers with the leadership qualities are creative in their approach. Every day everyone wants the new things is to be there. So the creative approach is to be like communication skills. Here we are telling about the professional communication skills, where whatever you want to say, other can easily understand, other can easily digest also, and then give the proper feedback, by which your leadership can be stabilized in a very efficient and proper way was there. Then enthusiasm. Without enthusiastic, no one can do anything is to be there, because effective leadership normally require a proactive approach towards people, problems and possibilities. Then self-awareness and adaptability. So line managers who are skillful leaders exhibit an understanding of their own values, skills, strengths and weaknesses. They are often flexible and willing to continually improve their knowledge and skills to meet new challenges. Then decision-making capabilities, because without this, the organization cannot be developed in a very professional way. So, decision-making abilities. This is the capability of exploiting opportunities and to make sound decisions which benefit the organization. Line managers with leadership qualities have the capability of making good decisions. The prime thing was there, that is openness. We have to open toward the side of the organization, we have to open to the side of the subordinates, implies each and everything. That ability to understand people. Good leadership argument of managers require a clear understanding of human behavior and the ability to develop open and honest relationship. Because जब हमारे कहते हैं कि जब इन कंट्री की बात करें, कंट्री में कहते हैं हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सब अलग अलग है, बट जब भी देश पे बात आती है तो जितने भी कम्युनिटी हो सब मिल करके कहते हैं देश के लिए सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान है और कुछ नहीं. So then this type of leadership we have to see down the institutions to be there. इंडिविजुअली हैं हम लोग अलग अलग हैं, बट जब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट की बात आएगी तो हम सब we are the single ones to be there. Then business understanding, this is the prime motive why we are there in the institutions to be there. This is because line managers and leadership qualities strives to have a clear understanding of their business and environment in which they operate their capitalism. And the last point is managing organization change, because change management is the prime thing to be there. Without change, nothing can be possible to be there. लेमार्क एंड डार्विन सिद्धांत भी हमारे साथ चलता है. जब तक चेंज नहीं होगा तब तक न्यू डेवलपमेंट्स नहीं आएंगी, न्यू इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं आएंगी, समय समय के हिसाब से हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्लानिंग नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो फॉर द इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप स्टाइल द चेंज मैनेजमेंट कैरेक्टर्स should be there. So what the thing is to be, whenever discussing about the proper leadership, we have seen that for the organization leadership or for the organization leaders, for the organization development, a leader is 100% competent. We should have a faith on him. He has used certain tools, techniques, directions, indications, abilities, motivations for which he has developed institution from zero to top level. Because guidance is a needed thing to be there. Or if the proper guidance is not be there, no institution can be developed in a very efficient and planned way to be there. Now, with this is the closing is to be there, and we have already discussed the organizations and the motive was there.